the PDF. Mm, or this PDF. Mm, Go to site photopedia.com, photopa.com. Then open from computer. Just import that file you have just downloaded. Yes, this one. Okay. Then wait for a while. We will have this design. This is the page 2. This is the page 1. Okay. So first, if you go, it will show the parts of that page. So let's say we want to remove this black background. So I hide this page too. Just click on that I button, hide it. Then this is first page, and in this we don't want this background color. Okay. So what we have, this is the PNG image. And if you don't want some part, you can hide that. And which part you want, just to make it visible and hide the part you don't want to export as a transparent PNG. Now this is the transparent image. So just go to File, Export as a PNG. You can check the quality of the output. You can see it here. Here you can change the size of that image and then save it. Okay, so in the folder we have the zip file show option that extract the file. After extracting, we get this PNG file, which is transparent. Okay, so this way we can get this the transparent images from the PSD or PDF with the help of photopea.com.